National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 4, effective until 8 a.m. This watch includes the following counties: in Florida, Hardee, Hillsborough, Manatee, Pasco, Pinellas and Polk, and the following marine locations: Tampa Bay waters and coastal waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs out 20 nautical miles. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen to later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 4 has been issued until 8 a.m. for the following counties: in Florida, Hardee, Hillsborough, Manatee, Pasco, Pinellas and Polk, and the following marine locations: Tampa Bay waters and coastal waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs out 20 nautical miles.
Your coastal waters for